guys, so we're at the lake and it's the day before the 4th because I don't know if we're gonna come out maybe just for fireworks, but we just wanted to come out when it's not as crazy today. And yeah, we're all patriotic, wearing our stuff, and yeah, you having fun, Mason? You got a little bubble gun? You want me to hold you? And yeah, it's just a really nice day, guys. We're just at the beach part and look at the lake and everything, and yeah, it's just so nice. Hi, Mason.
Hi.
You have it. Oh my god, guys, I'm trying to eat this lollipop. I had it for so long and I wanted to get a picture of it and I got it today. But if you get one of these to like kill your teeth, I'm just eating it for fun because my mom got this for me a while ago and I needed to eat it. Finally got the picture and everything, but like it's just killing my teeth. I can't taste it, but I always wanted one of these. And over on the TV, I'm just watching one of Joe's vlogs right now, and yeah, I'm catching up on some YouTube and eating some candy that's gonna wreck my teeth. Happy 4th of July, guys. So we went to the lake and everything like you saw a little bit. We took more pictures and it was so hard to film because it was really, what do you say? It was really packed and stuff. 4th of July over here is like the craziest. Oh my god, Tiffany, this is so cold. Don't get this shirt dirty because I might wear it still. But yeah, we're in the pool right now. Say hi, Tiffany.
Hi.
And I might film some of my expectations versus reality summer video too, because I'll be like in this one. Then later I'll put the clip of me being in the big pool or like at the lake or something.
I know how to swim again. My dad taught me.
So swim. Show them. So fake, but anyways, yeah, we're in the pool and I'll see if I'll see you guys later or not. And this is a really combination vlog to a lot of vlogs. I'm sorry about that, but yeah, there's that. And yeah, we're in the pool.
Yeah.
You having fun? Yeah. Look, guys, this is crazy. The street, there's so many cars everywhere because it's packed for the 4th of July. This is just the normal street I walk to school on and stuff, and look, it's crazy. Look at how crazy this is. Oh my god, there's so many cars everywhere. Hey guys, so we made it to the lake and it looks so nice right now. I got my camera set up and there's the view, and then the fireworks are gonna be starting over there, so I can't wait to like get that started for you. And just got a little beach towel thing, blanket set up, and yeah, I can't wait to get the pictures and everything. It's gonna be so much fun. want to use my phone to do it, and then I use my camera to get stuff too. Yeah, my camera's just recording, and you can take pictures at the same time. Yeah, it's recording.
Oh, but we'll take a snap.
Yes, I want to do this.